Microsoft has released the first Windows 11 preview build for the developer channel, which is named as 22000.51. The early preview versions allows users to test drive the features that are coming to the official version of Windows. As the preview version has been released by the Redmond-based tech giant, the Windows 11 ARM version has also surfaced online. And some developers have managed to load this newer Windows operating system on Lumia 950 XL smartphone. Hello guys, this is Subir. Welcome to my channel. Since Microsoft has released an official ARM64 build of Windows 11, it's not too surprising to see it get ported to Raspberry Pi 4 or the Lumia 950 XL and the Xiaomi Mi 8 smartphone. Surprised? Let's check out. Some reports have revealed about Xiaomi Mi 8 smartphone getting flashed into Windows 11 preview operating system. While Windows is working on the smartphone, it still doesn't support touchscreen functionality and USB port. Although Microsoft has given up on its Lumia smartphones, users are still tinkering with the older models. Last year, a group of developers managed to port the full Windows 10 operating system on Lumia 950 and 950 XL smartphones. Developers has also managed to add Continuum support as well as custom phone dialer app on a Lumia smartphone running Windows operating system. They even reached the ability to detect the SIM card on the device. There's no way Windows operating system on smartphones is getting official, at least not anytime soon. But it's interesting to see developers making progress, boosting the development of Windows on ARM project. Guys, if you like this video, please give me your likes, comments and shares. And guys, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Catch you again with another episode of Inside Stories. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned. This is Subir. Sign off.